Hi, friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine. I am here with a new mathematical problem. 18 divided by 3 by 6 minus 6. First of all, we will solve this one because PEMDAS says that division will be solved first if it is at the left side. We have to move from left to right. You have heard about KCF rule. K mean keep, C mean change, F mean flip. So keep it, it will remain unchanged. Change it, divide sign is changed into multiplication, and flip it, it will be 6 by 3 minus 6. So 3 and 18 are cancelled. So it will become 6. Now 6 multiplied by 6 minus 6. So now we will multiply these two numbers. 6 multiplied by 6 will be equal to 36 minus 6, and 36 minus 6 is equal to 30, which is our answer. Thank you for watching my channel.